guys, Death Party here. Sorry if I sound a little sick, because I am. Anyway, new YouTube video. I have a new brand of Nerf blaster, first in the world. Actually, no, I'm not. I suck. So this is the Alphahawk Active Strike brand from Nerf. It's an Active Strike. I don't have any of these yet. So it feels pretty nice already. It's like a sniper kind of thing, but I really hope it's not rigged. Kind of like the elections. Alright, so put it at the back. Little target. Yeah. Looks pretty good. Let's unbox it. I'll be back. I'll be back. Go around with this, kids. Don't be an idiot like I am. I have 0 IQ. Okay. We'll start cutting up that nigga. Oh my god, there's so much to cut. It's a pretty big glass, I see that. Alright, there we go. Alright, I'm actually holding it now. I gotta say, very skinny. Oh, it pops out. Pops out the side. So you do a Russian roulette. Really good sights, I gotta say. Alright, now I gotta find the orange gray piece there. Shoot. Jump down. Okay, the instructions are. Oh, okay, hold on. It comes. Now, you can tell it's Active Strike as it comes with the Active Strike darts, which are right here. Feel pretty good, and they apparently are more accurate. Which I say accurate or say accurate? It's some accurate shit. Oh, okay, good. Found the orange pieces. Oh, hold on, everyone. It's your boy, Skinny Penis. Come in, you fat fucking porn-addicted bastard. Alright, put the darts over here for now. For now. Sorry about this taking so long. We'll speed this up. Boy, yo boy, Death Party. And then, yeah, nuts. Active Strike. Got the little gray pieces. I'm just gonna alright, now what I gotta do, I got it all out. Now what we gotta do is get the gray pieces in here, so let me do that. Pretty quiet. Alright, then. Okay, alright, so this is the blaster. It kicks out. And you just load your 6, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 darts into that chamber. Sights, no problems holding it. Pretty accurate. You can see a dart in the barrel. Yeah. We're a little bit big, I'm not gonna lie, for a 5-shot. But we'll confirm your troubles by shooting it now. It's strong. No dogs were harmed in the making of this video. Pretty good shot, I gotta say. There are active strikes. So, that's one shot. I'm gonna take a little close shot right here. Let's see how much impact it gets. Okay, move my camera. So, yeah, pretty slim. Very good sight stuff. Nerf props for you there. And yeah, it's a pretty good blaster. I give it a 8 out of 8. Good snipper, if you know what I mean. It says snip. Snipper sniper. Accurate. So yeah, that's about it. The one thing I noticed, it has the same ammo capacity to my hammer shot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for both. But one's fucking heavy. Well, yeah, just which one better. Because this one's a hell of a lot cheaper. So I hope that this one still shoots better. Okay. They should have done the same, actually. Really? Oh, and this thing can also take normal Nerf darts, so yeah, it's compatible. Yeah, they both shoot pretty hard. Just want this to test. Also, no one goes to tragedy. Yeah, they both shoot around the same. Oh, well, I didn't even read the instruction manual, too. I'll read it for you guys. It says, James the Jello can suck a dick. That's actually what it says. Good. Alright, so I'm going to leave the video here. Thumbs up for my new active strike. Thumbs up because I'm sick. Please say hashtag fuck James the Jello in the chat. Or, hashtag fuck James the Jello in the comments. And I'll see you all in the next video. Peace, my dudes.